Welcome artistic documentation. Stay till the end, you will get something better. Beyond design and functionality, templates also influence psychological triggers that affect purchasing decisions. The use of color psychology, for instance, can impact mood and perception: red for urgency, blue for trust, green for relaxation, or black for luxury. Likewise, the strategic use of white space creates a sense of clarity and professionalism, preventing visual fatigue. Templates that maintain a balance between visual excitement and simplicity encourage longer browsing sessions, which correlate with higher chances of purchase. For entrepreneurs and small businesses, a pre-designed yet customizable template can drastically reduce development costs and time, allowing them to launch stores quickly while maintaining a polished, professional look. Most modern templates are compatible with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, and come with drag-and-drop builders that make content updates easy even for non-developers. This flexibility allows store owners to test and refine their visual strategies based on sales performance, customer feedback, and seasonal demands without heavy technical investment. Accessibility is another key component, often overlooked but essential for boosting sales. A well-designed template follows accessibility standards, ensuring that people with disabilities can navigate and shop comfortably. This not only broadens your audience reach but also improves inclusivity and aligns your brand with global digital ethics. Templates that use clear fonts, proper contrast ratios, and ARIA labels for screen readers make the site more usable for everyone, creating a positive brand reputation. Security and scalability are equally vital in driving long-term sales growth. A good e-commerce template is not just about appearance, it is built on a secure and scalable framework that supports increasing product volumes, customer databases, and transactions without lagging or crashing. This ensures business continuity during traffic spikes such as seasonal sales or marketing campaigns. Finally, consistency across devices and pages is what ties the entire customer journey together. A visually cohesive experience where fonts, colors, and layouts remain uniform instills professionalism and trust, signaling to the visitor that they are dealing with a serious, reliable business. A well-designed e-commerce template is far more than just an aesthetic layer. It is a strategic foundation that shapes user experience, supports marketing efforts, improves performance, and ultimately drives sales. It brings together design psychology, technology, and branding into a unified system that builds trust, enhances engagement, and makes the buying process simple and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching, feel free to join us in our group and earn more.